building bursts into flames, and smoke pours out like from the engine of a train. People in the windows call out for help, but here comes Captain Courageous to the scene. Breaks down the doors like a real firefighting machine. He carries everybody out without a thought for himself. That's what a hero would do. I wanna be a hero too. They are strong, they are sure. Look out for others in the face of danger. That's how they save the day. The hero way. On Monday, Fireman Joe came to our school. He showed us the fire truck and ladders. Man, that was cool. We even got to spray the hose like a real firefighter crew. I said I wanna be a hero just like Fireman Joe. He said you don't have to fight fires to be a hero. Every time you lend a helping hand to someone in need, that makes you a hero too. That's what a hero would do. I wanna be a hero too. They are strong, they are sure. Look out for others in the face of danger. That's how they save the day. The hero way. I was playing firefighters at the park with Lily, Jack, and Mark. Kenny came over, he wanted to play, but we only had 4 firefighter hats in all. And Mark said, "Get out of here, Kenny, you're too small." Kenny looked at me sadly for something to say. What would a hero do if he were in my shoes? I said, "Wait, I get an idea. Kenny, maybe you could pretend to be an animal stuck up in the tree, and then we could all come and save you. That way we could all play. It'll be much better that way." Kenny smiled, and everyone agreed, so that's what we did. I think that's what a hero would do. And I was a hero too. I was strong, I was sure. Looked out for others in the face of danger. That's how we save the day. The hero way, that's how we save the day. The hero way.